What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. I got some comments in my comment section asking me to check out the project Planet token. So hey, I'm one of the influencers that's gonna listen to my community and do my best to interact with you guys as much as possible. So we're gonna check out Planet token in this video. If you hold the project, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and share it with the rest of the community, guys, because it really helps the channel out. Helps the channel to grow. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers on the channel, man. I'd really appreciate that. It's very difficult to grow a crypto channel because the viewership is not as great compared to making content with a woman half naked or something, right? So if you guys could support Planet token community, or if this is your first time seeing the channel, like, comment, subscribe, I'd appreciate it. So right here we have Planet. It is the GOAT taking over the world, man. Nice little detail, nice little graphic on the website. Uniswap, Dex Tools, Mexi, already listed on Bitmart and Mexi, guys. That's nice. It's very nice, man. Planet of the GOATs. Planet is not your average meme coin. We are here to make a real impact by combining the excitement of meme coins with a dedication to saving the earth. We know how climate change is taking over, and a lot of people are talking about carbon emissions and stuff like that, guys. Even recently, like in New York is covered in just a ton of fog from fires in Canada. I don't know if y'all saw that recently, but that's climate change, and the climate and all these things is a big deal that a lot of people are talking about. So projects that are focusing on helping with the carbon emissions, etc., could explode, right? We're revolutionizing the crypto world. Portion of our profits will be directed towards funding projects focused on addressing pollution and protecting our planet's fragile ecosystems. And the graphics of this is so funny to me. It's so funny. It is hilarious. The Planet community, uniting the world for a sustainable future. Welcome to Planet community, where we embrace the power of GOATs to save our planet from a few passionate individuals, soon to be global force of millions. Our community is a herd of unstoppable crypto enthusiasts leading the way in the DeFi space. Get ready for a meme-tastic journey. Sign me up. Together we are breaking records and showing the world what it means to be GOAT worthy. Our community is a testament to the energy, resilience, and boundless potential of cryptocurrencies, with a special focus on the utility and growth of the Planet ecosystem. Let's make the crypto world go bleed with excitement. They making me want to go bah. As we venture forward, the well-being of our project rests firmly on strong shoulders of our community. You are the true GOATs who drive our success and make the Planet vision a reality. We couldn't be more proud of the incredible growth and achievements we've accomplished together. Remember, in the Planet community, we stand united, driven by our shared values and the GOAT spirit. Let's continue to inspire, collaborate, and create memes that spread joy and raise awareness for our mission. Join us on this extraordinary journey where we prove the GOATs can make a difference. Together we'll leave a lasting legacy for generations to come. Planet GOAT community, saving the planet, meme magic. How to buy, obviously you guys already know about that. 15% locked up, 85% liquidity. Excuse me. No taxes, no BS. Just GOATs and planets. It's that simple. We're not kidding around. 85% of the tokens were sent straight to the liquidity pool. LP tokens, poof, burnt to ashes, and guess what? We renounced the contracts too. No strings attached. Hold your horses, or in this case, hold your GOATs. The remaining 15% of the supplies for CX listings, ecosystem partnerships, team tokens. Team tokens are locked for 12 months, and they have the transparency of the breakdown right here. You could check the wallets, guys. Great stuff. That is what I like to see, transparency. See the ghost prancing and the planet spinning. This is a show you don't want to miss. So grab your gold horns and join the herd. Together we'll conquer the crypto world one bleat at a time. Bah. Okay, we counted all the zeros. You have a roadmap. Nice website, by the way. I gotta say, man, nice website. You know, the devs in the crypto space are very underrated, man. They're very how should I say, innovative and unique. Even if they're, you know, meme coin devs, like, you know, you gotta give them their props, man. You know, obviously though, meme coins, high risk, high reward. Never invest more than you're willing to lose in any project, especially the meme coins, because they're high risk, high reward projects. But you just never know what can happen with these projects, guys. So, you know, it's nothing wrong with having, if you got a little bit of extra capital, you want to have some fun, you take a chance on one of these projects, see what happens, right? Phase 4 Earth-centered initiatives, partnerships for change, community empowerment. They plan to, I'm seeing token utility right there. Okay, partnerships. Hey, go Planet Token, man. If you want to do a partnership with me to do consistent videos on the project, feel free to reach out, man. You know, we could get that sorted out, guys. I'm telling you, if the Planet Token team or community, let me know. Token utility expansion, integrate Planet into various ecosystems and explore additional use cases to drive token adoption and value. Okay, that's gonna be great once they could develop use cases. So they have a plan to develop utility, which is great. 22.9k followers on Twitter 4 hours ago. Today, World Oceans Day. We celebrate the vast wonders of our oceans. Planet strives to be the goal of ocean conservation, protecting marine life and preserving their habitats. Nice stuff, man. Nice engagement on Twitter as well. Very nice engagement on Twitter. And they memeing too. Play close attention. Plastic pollution is a growing environmental crisis. They got Fred's talking about, yeah, so they've really taken this whole helping the planet, helping the environment serious, and they're doing their best to deal with that. A lot of engagement on Twitter, like I said, 200 likes, 100 retweets. Who's the GOAT? Calling the Planet Ghost Legends. Join us now. They got a Bitmart listing. Lands on Mexi listing recently. Nice stuff, man. Yeah, this is what meme coins are all about, man. Having fun. I can't stop chuckling at this one, especially this meme. This meme took the cake. World Environment Day. Let's embark on our journey to reimagine our relationship with Mother Earth. Nice, man. Alright, let's take a look at the chart. Last thing we're gonna do. $39.4 million in market cap. Wow, 1 million volume. Chart holding up pretty well. Very clean contract. You know, shout out to the person that asked me to check this project out. Could see, you know, more bullish momentum for Planet here in the future. You know, as long as they keep it up. They already got exchange listings. You know, Gate.io could potentially be next. L-Bank, you know, who knows? Even like tier ones like KuCoin, you never know. Link, Planet token listed in exchanges without marketing means so much, and people backing it is strong. Apparently there's a high possibility this is endorsed by Messi. Whoa, the speculation though. I'm bullish. Now, as always, guys, this is a high risk, high reward play. There's a meme coin. So, team wallets, okay. And then Uniswap pool. and the wallet distribution. Okay, yeah, the chart maybe, you know, bit more sideways and then eventually another break to the upside from here. That's crazy. It's crazy that it's at 40 mil market cap, man. Crazy, you know. I don't see much people talking about it, and it's at 40 million. That's insane. But we'll see what happens, man. As far as the meme ability of it goes, and what they're, you know, what they're aiming to accomplish, the community, from what I'm seeing, everything looks bullish, right? But again, it is a high risk, high reward play, so never invest more than you're willing to lose in projects like this, guys. But if you hold Planet, let me get your thoughts of the project. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Again, Planet team and community, if you guys want to do like a partnership where I could consistently cover the project, you know, and we work something out, let me know. But yeah, project to me looks bullish, man. It looks bullish, and you know, I'll be rooting for the success of it. Everything about the project and myself, Planet and myself, will be in the description. Thank y'all so much for watching. One more bye before I leave, and I'll catch you in the next video.